rate of a growth fund, income fund, and the money market are 10%, 7%, and 5% respectively. Suppose you have 3,200 to invest and you want to put twice as much in the growth fund as in the money market to maximize your return. How should you invest to get return $250 in 1 year? So let me make here some shortcuts. So let me write with the shortcuts here for growth fund. Let me write GF. GF is equal with a 10%. Okay, let me write the numerical value 0.1, and then I have a income fund. Income fund is 7%. Let me write the 0.07. What do I have else? I have a money market. Money market is equal with 5%, 0.05. And now I'm looking here. Suppose you have a $3,200 here, and it says, and let's write this one with the X, and income, let's write with the Y. Okay, and let's see what we can write in money market. So now suppose you have a $3,200 to invest, and you want to put twice as much in a growth fund as in a money market. And here says, let's say this is a 2x, and this is equal with the X money market. That's what it says, because you put twice in the growth fund than in money market. And what do we have here now? We have here 0.1x plus 0.1x, but this is twice. It means I'm multiplying by 2, plus I have x is 0.05x. And now what do I have here? I have a fund is a y is a 0 plus a 0.07. Y is equal with 250. 250. On the other hand, here I have the other equation. Here I can write x plus 2x plus y is equal with $3,200. So practically we made this equation with two unknowns. If we are looking now in the second equation, we can write, so I'm sorry, this is a 2x. X plus 2x is equal with 3x plus y is equal with 3,200, and minus 3x both sides. Minus 3x here, this cancels, and the y is equal with 3,200 minus 3x. So let me put this equation here. This equation I'm going to plug in instead of the y to make an equation with one unknown. And now we can write in this form. Is a 2 times 0.1 is a 0.2x, is plus 0.05x, here is x, 0.05x is plus 0.07 y, but instead of the y I'm plugging 3,200 minus 3x is equal with 250. Now we can move up a little bit. So if we are adding the same like terms, we have 0.25x is a plus, in fact here is a plus 0.07 times 3,200. So let me take a calculator to make it much easier. Calculator, let me write here 0.07 times 3,200. So I have here 224. And now I have a negative here, because positive times negative is negative. And I'm going to multiply here 0.07 times 3, and I have here 0.21. I have 0.21. And here I have a 250 $1,650. And what I'm going here to do, here is a X. Okay. And what I'm going here to do, I'm going to add this, those are the same. Okay, so let me, so the same I'm going to add 0.25 minus 0.21 is going to be 0.4 is equal minus 224 minus 224, and what remains here? Here remains 26 is a 26. I'm dividing by 0.4 by 0.4, and 26 divided by 0.4, let's see what we have. So 26 divided by 0.4, we have 650. So let me go again. 26 divided by, but one thing I mentioned here, divided by 0.04 is 650. Okay, so because when I'm here I made one mistake, because when I am subtracting 0.025, I'm sorry, 0.25x minus 0.21 is going to be 0.04. And if I'm dividing it by 0.04, I'm going to get here 650. What does it mean? It means X is money market, so money market is going to be $650. In the other hand, the growth fund, so the growth fund here, GF, is going to be 1,300. It is a double, it's 2 times more. Growth fund is equal with, so this is $1,300. And on the other hand, here is going 3,200 minus 3 times 650. So let me go with one shot here. Let me multiply here by 3 is equal, and the minus 3,200. Let's see what we get. We get 1,250. So the income fund here, IF, is going to be $1,250. So just let me make sure again. Okay, sorry for that. Let me make sure again with the calculator. Is 1,250. So this one here is $1,250.